Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at a real-time translator that's built into the Galaxy S25 Plus. This is my new phone and I was looking at it and just wanted to see what kind of features it has. It's pretty fascinating, so check this out. So right now I am on my home page. I'm going to scroll down from the right and you'll see all this stuff, and then you'll see this little bar right here. I'm gonna pull that down, and then you're gonna see this interpreter thing on the lower left hand corner. I'm gonna click that. I'll allow that on the settings. Okay, so right now it shows interpreter conversation mode on the top left. If you take a look at the three bars right next to it, I click that. There's conversation mode, there's listening mode. So if I'm just trying to listen to a TV show or maybe an announcement at the airport. Right now, this is automatically has Spanish to English, okay? I'm gonna show you where you can actually change the language in just a second. So if I just hit the little microphone at the bottom here, it's gonna pick up the announcement that might be in Spanish, and then you'll hear it or you'll see it in English. All right, so that's the interpreter listening mode. The conversation mode is when you have two people, okay? So I'm speaking English. One language that comes with this without you having to download anything else is Spanish. But if you wanted to download something else, you can. Right down here, you can hit add languages next to the plus button, and you'll see that I added a few languages. I'm curious to see what English from United Kingdom, how that's different from English of the US. But anyway, so I added a few, but you already have Spanish that's built in automatically. So you don't have to do anything special. You'll just see Spanish when you do that, okay? So this is what the interpreter conversation mode looks like. And then check this out. If I have someone standing in front of me and this person is speaking Spanish, and they need to either see or hear the message, there is a little icon on the top right hand corner next to the clock right here, and you can see how it flips that one side, that it can actually see, or it can actually allow the second speaker to see the message in writing as well, right? So I'm going to flip it back. Before we actually go for a live demonstration, just take a look at each little box here. You're going to see a microphone at the lower right hand corner of each. So if I am speaking, I'm going to go ahead and hit the little microphone right down here, and then it's going to translate it in Spanish. And so when the second speaker, who in this case would be speaking Spanish, before this person speaks, I would press this little microphone button right here, and then you'll see how that works. What you're about to hear is me and my buddy trying this app out, but I didn't actually explain to him how to use this. Hey, where you from?
And then I have to respond? Oh, okay. Soy de Estados Unidos.
I am from the United States.
I see. Okay.
What kind of work do you do?
¿Qué tipo de trabajo haces?
Soy fisioterapia.
I am physical therapy.
Therapist.
Okay.
Dude, that's cool. No, that's... Dude, that's awesome.
Okay, so there you have it. A real quick demo of how this works. Does it work? Absolutely. Is it perfect? No. But it's going to get the job done for most of what you need. If you have any questions or comments, put it on down below.